Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix SE error on Samsung Watcher. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering how do you fix this issue here for the SE error on your Samsung Watcher here. So in this case, the first thing you want to do here is you need to look for the drain or the compartment. Drain compartment usually at the very bottom of your washer. So in this case, just an example, for example, this is your washer here. Usually at the very bottom part here, you have that small compartment that you need to open up to access the drain. Now, what you need to do here is, again, locate the small access at the door at the bottom front of your washer. Then open it to access the drain filter and drain hose, as you can see right now on my screen. Now, you need to pull out the small drain hose here and place a cup or bowl underneath it and remove the cap. Let the water drain into the cup, which may take a few rounds, so about 3 cups in total. So empty the cup and repeat until no water remains. Now, you want to go ahead and twist the drain filter here, as you can see right now. So you want to go ahead and twist that as well, and you want to go ahead and clean it. Now, usually you need to twist it counterclockwise to remove it. So pull it out. Check for debris like hair, lint, or small objects. Clean off any buildup thoroughly to ensure the filter is actually clear. Now, after cleaning, you can go ahead and reinsert the drain filter by twisting it clockwise. Replace the cap, in this case, place the cap on the drain hose here and close the access door. Now, since the tap water can cause unpleasant smells, you make sure that you have a towel nearby just to make sure to clean up the area. But yeah. So basically, you just need to clean your, in this case, your drain compartment. So that should solve the issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.